Ready to take control of your financial future? Here's exactly how to open your Morgan Stanley account and start investing. First, head over to the Morgan Stanley website. You'll likely see an option to open an account or get started prominently displayed. Click on that to begin the application process. The initial step involves providing your personal information. This includes your full name, current address, date of birth, and contact details like your email and phone number. Ensure accuracy, as this information will be used to verify your identity. Next, you'll need to upload or provide identification documents. This typically means uploading a clear scan or photo of your governmentist ID, such as a driver's license or passport. You might also be asked for a secondary form of ID or proof of address, like a utility bill. Morgan Stanley offers a variety of account options to suit your investment goals. Carefully review the different account types, such as individual brokerage accounts, IRAs, or joint accounts, and select the one that best aligns with your financial objectives. You'll then be guided through questions to help Morgan Stanley understand your investment experience, risk tolerance, and financial goals. Be honest and thorough, as this information helps them tailor their recommendations. The final stages involve reviewing and agreeing to the terms and conditions. This usually involves reading through important agreements and providing your electronic signature to confirm your application. Once submitted, your application will be reviewed by Morgan Stanley. You'll typically receive a confirmation email, and they may reach out for any further information needed to complete the onboarding process. Congratulations, you've successfully opened your Morgan Stanley account. Now you're ready to explore investment opportunities and manage your wealth with confidence.